Sarvebhyah Namo Namaha. Namaste to all of you. Welcome to our YouTube channel Vidyachetana Samskrutham. Today in this video we are learning Dvitiyaha Pathaha, second chapter of Ruchira Bhaga 2, that is Durbuddhi Vinashyati. Durbuddhi Vinashyati. Durbuddhi, here it is a foolish person or the wicked person. Vinashyati is destroys. A foolish person will be the reason to destroy his or her life. So Durbuddhi Vinashyati is a moral story. In Sanskrit literature, many moral stories are explained through the life of the animals. So in that, the famous Sanskrit moral stories are called Panchatantra stories, which is written by Vishnu Sharma. So our chapter Durbuddhi Vinashyati is also taken from Vishnu Sharma's Panchatantra story. So first we are reading the chapter Durbuddhi Vinashyati. So next I will give the Vivaranam, explanation of the chapter. Asti Magadha Deshe फुलोत्पल नाम सरः तत्र संकटविकटौ हंसौ निवसतः कम्बुग्रीवनामकः तयोः मित्रम् एकः कूर्मः अपि तत्रैव प्रतिवसति स्म। अथ एकदा धीवराः तत्र आगच्छन् ते अकथयन् वयं श्वः मत्स्यकूर्मादीन् मारयिष्यामः। एतत् श्रुत्वा कूर्मः अवदत्, मित्रे, किं युवाभ्यां धीवराणां वार्ता श्रुता? अधुना किमहं करोमि? हंसौ अवदताम्, प्रातः यदुचितं तत् कर्तव्यम्। कूर्मः अवदत्, मैवं तद् यथा अहम् अन्यहृदं गच्छामि तथा कुरुतम्। हंसौ अवदताम्, आवां किं करवाव? कूर्मः अवदत्, अहं युवाभ्यां सह आकाशमार्गेण अन्यत्र गन्तुम् इच्छामि। हंसौ अवदताम्, अत्र कः उपायः? कच्छपः वदति, युवां काष्ठदण्डम् एकं चञ्च्वा धारयताम्। अहं काष्ठदण्डमध्ये अवलम्ब्य युवयोः पक्षबलेन सुखेन गमिष्यामि। हंसौ अकथयताम्, सम्भवति एषः उपायः, किन्तु अत्र एकः अपायोऽपि वर्तते। आवाभ्यां नीयमानं त्वाम् अवलोक्य जनाः किञ्चित् वदिष्यन्ति एव। यदि त्वम् उत्तरं दास्यसि तदा तव मरणं निश्चितम्। अतः त्वम् अत्रैव वस। तत् श्रुत्वा क्रुद्धः कूर्मः अवदत्, किमहं मूर्खः? उत्तरं न दास्यामि, किञ्चिदपि न वदिष्यामि। अतः अहं यथा वदामि तथा युवां कुरुतम्। एवं काष्ठदण्डे लम्बमानं कूर्मं पौराः अपश्यन्। पश्चात् अधावन् अवदन् च, हंहो, महदाश्चर्यम्, हंसाभ्यां सह कूर्मोऽपि उड्डीयते। कश्चित् वदति, यद्ययं कूर्मः कथमपि निपतति तदा अत्रैव पक्त्वा खादिष्यामि। अपरः अवदत्, सरस्तीरे दध्वा खादिष्यामि। अन्यः अकथयत्, गृहं नीत्वा भक्षयिष्यामि इति। तेषां तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा कूर्मः क्रुद्धः जातः। मित्राभ्यां दत्तं वचनं विस्मृत्य सः अवदत्, यूयं भस्म खादत। तत्क्षणमेव कूर्मः दण्डात् भूमौ पतितः पौरैः सह मारितः। अत एवोक्तम् सुहृदां हितकामानां वाक्यं यो नाभिनन्दति स कूर्म इव दुर्बुद्धिः काष्ठात् भ्रष्टो विनश्यति. So this is the chapter Durbuddhi Vinashyati. So now I will start explaining the chapter. Asti. Asti is the verb which is showing the presence. Magadha deshe phulotpala nama saraha. Phulotpala nama. Phulotpala is the pond name and saraha is pond. So there was a pond by name Phulotpala in Magadha desha, that is in Magadha country. Tatra. Tatra, here it is, in that pond. Sankata vikatau hamsau nivasataha. Nivasati verb meaning was living. Nivasataha, which is in dvivachana. Nivasati, nivasataha. So two swans by name Sankata and Vikata were living in the pond. Kambugriva namakaha tayoho mitram ekaha kurmaha api tatraiva prativasati sma. Prativasati is also living. Prativasati sma, the word giving the past tense meaning here, was living. Tatraiva, here it is, in the pond itself. So in the pond itself, the kurmaha, that is ekaha kurmaha, one turtle or the tortoise was also living. Who was the tortoise? Tayoho mitram, friend of two swans, also living in the same pond. Atha ekada dhivaraha tatra agachan. Atha, it is then, ekada, once, dhivaraha tatra agachan. Fishermen came near to that pond. Te akathayan, and they said, what they said? Vayam shvaha matsya kurmadin marayishyamaha. So tomorrow we will kill all these fishes and turtle, etc. Adin is etc. Matsya is a fish. Kurma is a tortoise. So tomorrow we will kill all these fishes and tortoises. Marayishyamaha, which is in Ilrit Lakar. Marayishyami, Marayishyavaha, Marayishyamaha. Etat shrutva kurmaha avadat. Etat shrutva, which is a ktva pratyaya yukta verb, giving the meaning after hearing this. Kurmaha avadat. Turtle is saying, or the tortoise is saying. What it is saying? Mitre kim yuvabhyam dhivaranam varta shruta. So my dear friends, do you both heard the words of these fishermen? Dhivaranam varta, fisherman's word. Shruta is you heard. Adhuna kimaham karomi. Adhuna means now. Kim aham karomi, what I should do now, what I will do now. Hamsau avadatam. So for the question of the turtle or the tortoise, now the two swans are replying. Prataha yad uchitam tad kartavyam. Uchitam is suitable. So which is convenient or suitable in the morning, so that we will do. So this was the answer by two swans. So after hearing the answer of two swans, what Kurmaha is saying? Kurmaha avadat, maivam, not so. Tad yatha aham anyahradam gacchami tatha kurutam. So it is telling to two swans, tad yatha aham anyahradam. Hradam is pond here. So which is the synonym of pond used in the previous paragraph? Saraha. Saraha, hridam are pond synonyms. Anya hridam gacchami. So as I want to go to another pond, so do that way. Tatha kurutam. Hamsau avadatam. So now two swans are replying. Avam kim karavava? So what we should do now? Kim karavava? Kurmaha avadat. So Kurmaha is a replying. Aham yuvabhyam saha akasha margena anyatra gantum ichchami. Aham yuvabhyam saha. With you both, I want to go to another pond, or I want to go to anyatra, that is another place. Akasha margena, how? That is by sky route, by skyway. I want to go to the another pond. Gantum, which is for going. Ichchami, I like for going to the another place by sky route. Hamsau avadatam atra kah upayah. So now Hamsau, two swans are asking to the turtle, so what is the idea behind this? Kachchapah vadati. Yuvam kashtadandam ekam chanchva dharayatam. Aham kashtadandamadhye avalambya yuvayoho pakshabalena sukhena gamishyami. So now the Kachchapah, turtle, is giving an idea. So what is the idea? You both hold one stick with your beak. That is chanchva means with your beaks. Dharayatam, it is hold. So you both hold the stick in your beak. Aham kashtadanda madhye avalambya. So I will hold the stick in the middle of the stick. Yuvayoho pakshabalena sukhena gamishyami. I will go happily, or I will fly happily with your wings strength. Paksha is a wing or feather. Bala is a strength. So with your wings strength, I will fly happily. I will go happily. Hamsau akathayatam. Now two swans are saying, Sambhavati eshaha upayah. Sambhavati, which is possible. So this idea is possible. Kintu, but atra ekaha apayopi vartate. So here there is one danger. So there is one harmful here, or there is one harmful idea behind this. So what is that? Avabhyam niyamanam tvam avalokya janaha kinchit vadishyanti eva. So when we will be carrying you through the sky route, tvam avalokya, by seeing you, janaha, people, kinchit vadishyanti eva, they will speak little, they will speak something. Vadishyanti, which is in Ilrit Lakar, which is giving the future tense meaning. So they will speak something. Yadi tvam uttaram dasyasi. So in case if you will answer their words, tada, then tava maranam nishchitam. So your death is definite. Nishchitam is definite. Maranam is death. So while we carry you by the sky route, so if the people speak something, if you try to answer their words or their questions, so then your death is definite. Now two friends are suggesting him. What they are suggesting? Atahatvam atraiva vasa. Therefore, you be here only. Tat shrutva kruddhaha kurmaha avadat. So after hearing the suggestion of two swans, so what happened to tortoise? Tortoise got angry. Kruddhaha kurmaha. The angry tortoise is saying, Kimaham murkhaha? Am I foolish? Uttaram na dasyami. I will not answer. Kinchidapi na vadishyami. I will not even speak little. Ataha aham yatha vadami tatha yuvam kurutam. So therefore, you do what I am saying to do. So this is what the suggestion of Kurmaha for the reply of two swans. So what happens next? Evam kashtadande lambamanam kurmam pauraha apashyan. So now the two swans are taking the turtle through the sky route as the turtle suggested. So now Kashtadande Lambamanam Kurmam Pauraha Apashyan. So now the villagers, Pauraha, here it is, villagers are seeing the hanging turtle in the sky. So what their reply? Paschat Udhavan Avadancha. They started chasing that hanging turtle and they are saying, what they are saying? Hum ho mahadashcharyam. Oh, it is a surprising. Hamsabhyam saha kurmopi uddiyate. So with these two swans, the turtle is also flying. Uddiyate is flying. Kaschit vadati. So one among those villagers is saying, Yadyayam kurmaha kathamapi nipatati. So as this turtle is going to fall, tada atraiva paktva khadishami. Then I will cook here and I will eat this. Aparaha avadat. So other person is saying, sarastire dadhva khadishyami. Dadhva is fry. So I will fry this near the lake or the pond area and I will eat. Anyaha akathayat. So another person in the villagers group is saying, graham neetva bhakshayishyami. So I will take this to home and I will eat. Tesham tadvachanam shrutva kruddhaha kurmaha jataha. Tesham tadvachanam shrutva. After hearing all the words of the villagers, kurmaha kriddhaha jataha. Now the tortoise got angry. Mitrabhyam dattam vachanam vismritya. So it forgot the promise what it gave to the two friends. Saha avadat. He started speaking. Yuyam bhasma khadata. You eat ashes. Tat kshanameva. So within that moment, kurmaha dandat bhumau patitaha. So the tortoise fell on the floor. Pauraihi saha maritaha. By those villagers, he was killed at the end. He was destroyed at the end. Ata evoktam. So therefore it is said. So what is the moral of the story? It is explained at the end with one shloka. Suhridam hitakamanam vakyam yo na abhinandati sakurma iva durbuddhi kashtat bhrashto vinashyati. So here it is, Suhridam is friends, Hitakamanam it is of well-wishers, Abhinandati welcomes or respects. Bhrashtaha is fallen. So these are the difficult words in the shloka. So what is the meaning of the shloka? Suhridam hitakamanam vakyam yaha na abhinandati. The person who does not acknowledge or respect or welcomes the suggestions. Vakyam here it is suggestions or words of friends and well-wishers. Sakurma iva durbuddhihi. So he destroys himself, okay, or that foolish person disappears or perishes like a tortoise in the story who fallen from the stick and lost the life. So this is the moral of the story. So this is Durbuddhi Vinashyati topic. So in the next video, we are going to explain the exercises or the abhyasaha of the Durbuddhi Vinashyati chapter. Dhanyavadaha.